going on, my cleaning family? Welcome back to another video. For today's job, we are doing a floor maintenance on a floor that we did a strip and wax for around 6 months ago. I'm gonna throw up a picture and a clip here. The basis of today's job is just to hit it with a simple maintenance, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna do that. We're just taking an industrial sized machine that basically sands the floor and repolishes all the minor scratches off. This is this guy right here. This machine, we have a little bit of extra wax just to, in case there's some spots that we have to retouch. But that's just the base of it. So we're gonna unload and get straight to the job. So here is a look at the floor that we're gonna be maintaining today. You can see it's still very shiny. The floor is in great condition, but it's not as good as a room that was untouched, like this one right here. That's how we're gonna get the floor to look like today. There's all these little tiny scratches. If you gotta get down real close and see, we're gonna be getting rid of all those, smoothing it out. There's a lot more down over here. We waxed all of these rooms, like I said, around 6 months ago, before the school year. They still look like they were waxed yesterday. It's just these hallways over here are just a little messed up. A whole lot of scratches. Can't really tell, but you can see right there. So that's what me and Kevin will be doing today, so let's get right into it.
There's a technique to get this.
There's a proper technique to unload the cable.
It's all in the swing of the arms.
That's what I'm talking about. You're the master already, bro. So the first step is to actually mop the floor. After that, we're gonna use one of the machines that we have to surface out all of the scratches and all the scuffs on the actual floor. So while he is finishing up over there, I'm just gonna take the time to show you what we've done so far. You can really see before we got here, there was still a shine, but there was starting to be like a hue, a certain type of discoloration to the floor. It wasn't as shiny as it is now. Now, if we look down this hallway as well, you can see just how amazing and how amazingly shiny that looks. There is still some of the deeper scratches and maybe some of the deeper scuffs like this right here that are gonna require us to completely strip and then go back and wax again. You can see this floor came out fantastic. A lot of it has to do also with the color of the floor. Now you can see this floor right here is a deeper blue than this one, but this one just looks so much more shinier. It was all done during the same time, all done during the same day, the same exact process, the same sort of maintenance, but that one looks 10 times shinier because of color. Here's another perfect example, is the wood. The wood doesn't look as shiny as the other two floors just because of the darkness of the wood. So it really depends on the floor that you have as well. So we're gonna cook up the last couple minutes of being here, finish up a couple few spots and take you along for the ride.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Wow. This floor maintenance is a practical option if customers don't have the budget to consistently wax floors every quarter or every 6 months, which is always gonna be the nicest looking option, but this is a good supplement as well. Got one more floor to finish, let's go. Yeah, bro, that's a lot better. Plus, he didn't know how to use the machine. Thought the camera was gonna fall. Oof. Well, the job is complete. The floor looks great. Very confident the client is gonna be very, very happy on the job we've done for them. Gotta go over here now and lock up a few things, turn off some lights, and just make sure the whole building is secure after we leave. But that's gonna be it from us. We are All Purpose Cleaning Solutions. We're based out of here in Miami, Florida. We will travel anywhere in the state of Florida. Soon enough, all 50 states, and then soon enough worldwide after that. But thank you guys for watching again. If you need any commercial, residential, any sort of cleaning services, hit us up in our bio, our Google, our Instagram, it does not matter. Text us, call us, DM us, whatever you guys want to do, and we will respond promptly and swiftly. Thank you again for watching, and have a blessed day.